Good morning everyone, this is Rajesh Palvia from the technical desk. I just give you the brief about the Nifty technical view as well as the USD view for the day. In the last trading session, we have seen that Nifty opened with a positive gap and remained positive throughout the session. We have seen very good buying interest in the market and Nifty gained around 100 point in the intraday basis, but in the second half there was some sort of profit booking came in the market and Nifty closed it with a gain of around 84 point at 7435 level. In the last trading session, Nifty has formed a long bullish candle on the daily chart. Compared to the previous trading session, it has formed a higher high, higher low formation, which is a positive signal on the near-term charts. So now, if Nifty managed to cross 7480 level, then we may see further more bullishness to continue in the market, and on the higher side, 7500, 7550 level can be seen. However, on the moving averages front, Nifty is continuously trading below to its near-term as well as the short-term moving averages, which may again encourage the selling pressure on the higher side. So, in this market, if we see any kind of pullback rally, is the shorting opportunity near to the resistance area. However, on the lower side, the 7330 is the immediate or important support area for the Nifty. If Nifty breaks that level, then again, as we have mentioned in the earlier report also, we can see the lower side level of 7250, 7200 in the near term to short term basis. And looking at the indicators, the momentum oscillator as well as the strength indicator both are in the negative territory, but both indicators are in oversold territory, which may lead to some sort of pullback action in the market in near term basis. For the day, 7420 is the important level for traders. If Nifty managed to cross this level, then only we'll see bullishness in the market, and on the higher side 74, 75, 75, 20 levels can act as a resistance area for the day. On the lower side, if Nifty not crosses this 7420 level, then lower side support area for the day are 7380, 78, 7320 can be seen during the day. Now moving to the USD view, in the last trading session, USD closed at around 67.71 with a loss of around 0.06%. There was muted kind of action we have witnessed in the USD and on the higher side, it has seen some sort of profit booking around 67.80-85 level, which is the immediate resistance area for the USD. On the daily chart, USD has formed a doji candlestick pattern, which is a sign of indecisiveness in the market. So now if USD managed to cross its previous day high of 67.85 level, then we'll see further more upside in the near term basis, and on the higher side 68 to 68.20 could be the level on the higher side. Looking at the chart pattern, USD is in bullish territory, and USD is buy on dips kind of strategy one can adopt in USD. So near term support area is 67.60 level. Whenever you see any dip near to this level is a buying opportunity in the USD. Thanks.